XPS diver, little fish looking thing. Here by these trees. That's what them XPS lures do for you, man. That's what they do. 3 treble hooks. You usually ain't losing them. All 3 hooks got him. You believe that?
Demolished. He come in for the kill and team crushed it.
Oh yeah. Try to get it out because I can't get it no slack. Oh, it's just everywhere on him. Everywhere.
What do you say he weighs?
Probably 2 pounds. Big.
2 pounds, 2 pounds and a half. Nice greenback. Caught on what again, brother?
XPS, little kind of shallow diver.
Nice.
Nice. Lure I was working with.
He's a good looking bass there. What kind of rod's that you caught him on?
Shimano Kumara with the Team Dale Wazillion reel. Favorite reel.
How well?
I pulled him in perfect. Perfect, man. Just this 3 treble hook thing's got me mad.
He's done set him. He set him deep, dude.
Yeah. When he hit that, he means business. I will tell you that. He don't have a bit of business.